Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on the Delonghi. We're going to do it backwards. We're going to do the steam first. This espresso machine came in with a error code of the steam valve flashing like that. But here we go. We're back on steam. It's a solid light indicating that it is up to temperature. Now we also did a little work on adjusting this knob. We're going to go all the way, give it a steam. Nice, strong, dry steam. Now we'll come back, and to do the coffee, we'll bring those lights on, are flashing, indicating at this point that the machine is too hot to brew coffee. So what the Delonghi can do is temper down. So we're going to go with the lights pressed for coffee back to steam. With the single cup lit, it is indicating it is tempering the machine to get it ready to brew another coffee. It will stop automatically when it's up to temp or when it's down to temperature. We're going to go back to coffee position on this valve. That's a single basket with a crema enhancer, so the grind is a little coarser than usual, but let's see. And the machine is also set up for pre-infusion, if you heard that. But here we go. A nice little shot. Nice crema. And the lights are flashing while it's brewing. Hopefully this stops. It stops automatically. And it is ready to brew another one. There you have it. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for pairing with Cannon Coffee and Espresso Machines.